What's up, guys? It's me, and today I will be showing you my new fidgets. So I got some from Target, and I forgot the other place I got the other things. So the thing I got at Target was a squishy pack. So these are the squishies. So I got this narwhal, super cool. I got these two donuts as well. Super cool. I highly recommend this pack. It's so fun, and the squishies are so soft. And they smell. It's awesome. I love these. Next, we have all my new mini Poppets. I am so happy about these. So these are the ones that the place had. So they had this cool blue butterfly, super fun. So fun, I love this. Next, I got this one. So I got this purple turtle, so cute. Pops super good. Love this. Last but not least, this is my last fidget I got. So there is this red fish. Super fun. I love this. This feels the best out of all of them. I highly recommend all of these fidgets very much. So awesome. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.